Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my channel with a very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, I am making this video in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing very beautiful, elegant and classy designs of borderline embroidery or embroidery borders. So how you can use these borderline embroidery patterns and how you can design them. We are going to discuss in our today's video the basic fabric color which is being used is white or off-white. So you can also use other different type of fabric colors as well. But in order to attain an exact look which you are seeing onto your screens, I would recommend you to use the exact color of fabric and exact color combination of embroidery threads. So now let's move that how you can use them. In my previous videos, I have been sharing that how you can use these very beautiful borderline embroidery patterns. And today we are going to discuss the same, but in a little bit unique way. That is, in the end of this video, you are going to see real-time visual pictures that how dresses could be designed by following these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. But the scope is not only limited to this, you can design them for a wide variety of reasons and for a wide variety of things as well. And before going further, guys, if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you are watching my video for the first time, and don't forget to leave comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our upcoming videos. Now you are seeing how borders could be designed, like onto the corners of your dupatta, shawl or stroller, onto the hemline neckline of your kurti, onto the side borders or full length chokes of your dresses,